Yeah, so today's the day that the Mustang finally gets into the shop. It's been a long time coming, but I do want to film now that I got the bumper off and the taillights off, and I do want to film exactly what broke. Now, I did buy this filler for the right side, right here, this filler. I did buy it here because it did crack under the pressure, but if you can see right here where I'm pointing at, that's the dent on the rear cross member that needs some body work. That's the dent that the shop is going to put on the frame machine and pull that right back out. And hopefully what all that does as they pull on it is that it starts to align the best that that machine can do. It starts to align this crumple that I pointed out in another video. Also, this part of the tail light right here, this assembly piece, it was also kind of slanted in a few centimeters. So hopefully as they pull, all that gets lifted back so where everything can start sitting flush again. You can tell that the paint has already started to crack apart, break apart for sitting like this for a couple of weeks. So let's see what they can do for us and see what we can do about fixing this piece right here. Hopefully when I get it back, everything else is going to sit pretty flush. It is beginning to rain on me as I have this bumper down, but I'm going to tie everything down and head out that way right now. I did wash the car even though I knew it was going to rain, just because I wanted to be able to take a look for myself and see what kind of nicks that I might have. And to be honest, I didn't see any nicks other than the rock chips that I have in the front of my car. I have this rock chip here, which is an eyesore, and I think there might be one more, but other than that, it's not too bad. Oh man, I stripped that car, right?
Yeah, that one, that sucked. The insurance kind of screwed them up on that one.
Oh really?
So they have to let it go, but they approved the repair, but then they denied it. We were already into it, so
they approved it and then denied it.
And then took the scuff plate off, the one that with the Mustang, it's a black scuff plate. And then there was a hole there that they didn't know because they bought the vehicle used, so someone, the previous owner, repaired it, and we took that off. We told them, hey, we need to replace that, and they approved it. And then like a month later, the magician came out like, hey, that's not part of this claim. And they were like, oh wow.
So what are they gonna do with the car?
They let it go. The bank's gonna take it.
The bank's gonna take it?
Yeah.
Oh, like the owner let it go?
Yeah, I mean, because we can't let them take it like that. We have to repair it completely. It was going to be like $3,000 out of their pocket to complete the repairs, and they're like, we don't have that money.
Dang.
Cold.
Hey, I dumped it out in the back.
Right? If anything, it's still on the side, but usually they park them back here because the tech working on it, he's working on that side of the shop. Back here at the end of the day.
I got a lot of Mustangs in?
Yeah, we actually do. It's rare. I mean, sometimes we have one or two, and then they all come in all at once.
Wait, did you say it was rare for a Mustang to be in here?
Yeah, well, not rare, but like sometimes we just have one, and then out of nowhere we'll get 10 of them, and then we just have, like, it's, I guess, I don't know why, but they come in packages. Like, we'll get a bunch of Mustangs, we'll get a bunch of F-150s.
Wow.
And
it's not because they go to all the same car meet and they all do burnouts and then they all lose control?
Alright. It kind of came off, not all of it.
There's something here, you're saying?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It was worse when they pulled everything out.
Ah, okay, I see it.
Came out.
You know what? When the light hits it right there, I can see it. I never noticed that before.
Yeah, I didn't even see it either.
That wouldn't have happened as y'all pulled. It wouldn't have crumpled in.
No, it's when your car got hit. This was kind of so it's like that. Got broken like that.
Yeah.
Right here. So it's the same thing that happened here.
Because all this is coming out of my pocket. I'll live with that.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But what does it do for the fitment of everything?
Oh no, everything. You're fine. They already tested with the bumper. The bumper's in paint, so hopefully they can paint it by tomorrow.
Yeah, because honestly, I ain't gonna. Right there, you can see it really good on camera here.
And then from over here, I don't know, you'll catch it from the camera from the arm setting, but you can see everything there.
You have to check it out, like when I get right here, right there when the light hits it.
Right. Yeah.
But yeah, trunk sits good.
Yeah,
It shuts.
yeah.
Can we pop it so I can see? So obviously I'm not gonna have them paint or spend the money to get this painted. So as this chips away throughout the years under the bumper, obviously it may begin to rust. But if I don't see it, I don't care, right? But you have that one dent right there. I mean, I'll live with it because you only see it at certain angles. You don't see it at every angle. Like right there, boop, there it is. And you know, if it was an insurance claim, definitely. But since I'm paying out of pocket, I'll live with that. That ain't nothing big, you know. But nice to know that my trunk closes. It hasn't closed in almost 2 months. But,
It came out a little bit more after I pulled it. It minimized it.
yeah, I know he was telling me. I didn't notice the dent up there.
Yeah, you can still barely see it right here. You can still see a little wave. You see it right here?
Yeah.
Right there.
I'll live with it. But this actually came out.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it from the inside. It's nice. I can take this off if you want to look at it underneath it or no.
Hey, you don't mind?
No, I don't mind. And then I just fitted the new bumper. It fits nicely. All the light. I put the new light in already. And it fits.
Hey, so are you familiar with that bumper that I purchased?
I've never seen it.
Because I was telling him that.
I've seen different ones. So many come through here. And,
Yeah, the diffuser has like a part on the very bottom, and on some pics it looks like people might have cut them off or left it on, but it doesn't look like what it. I don't know, but I don't know if you're still gonna look at it, but.
Yeah, I opened the box and I was looking at it. I saw the exhaust tips. I told Edgar to ask me if you want me to put them on for you.
Hey, as long as you're doing it for free, I'll
No, I don't mind. No, I told them they're both on, right?
Yeah,
Both
the only thing is because I put the exhaust on, but I haven't finished adjusting it, and I know my left muffler hangs a little low, but it's all clamped. I mean, if you don't mind,
I don't mind. No,
he wants to do it for me, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, he
I
wants
don't
to,
mind, no.
yeah, I appreciate the hookup, man. Well, I'll tell you what, leave that on there. I don't want to take any more of your time. I'm sure you did a good job. As long as it's off, it's on really well.
Yeah, I put everything on before I sent it to the paint shop.
Yeah.
The bumpers in the paint shop, they're gonna.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it? Can I see it or?
Yeah, you can get it. Well, they haven't painted it.
All right.
They gotta sand it.
I just want to. Yeah, you don't mind?
See it though. No, you can see it.
Hey, I painted it black. Oh, no, I'm joking. All right, cool, man. That's your shop right there. Hey, I was gonna ask you, and I know you probably got to do a quote. Really interested in the pedestal wing, but I want to two-tone it. I want to put matte black underneath it and red on top. How much do you think you might charge something like that?
For the what?
A pedestal wing? A wing?
Yeah. You see the one now? You saw the red car right there, right? I saw you looking at it, right?
The maroon?
GT? The maroon, yeah. I have a wing that I'm putting on it right now. Is that the wing you want also?
Yeah. You have it over there?
I don't know by the name. I don't know by the name.
No,
I just see them all the time. They come through here. Hey, can you put this on my car? Like, go for it.
And usually when it's cosmetic, I'll put them on myself. I'm a little worried about the wing though, because when I bought the car, it had some paint chips underneath the spoiler. So
exactly what I'm going through right now.
So when I pull it off, I don't want to pull it off and then come dealer, hey, look what I found. They'll be like, nah, you did that, right? So I'm like,
that's exactly what's happening right now with this customer.
oh really?
It has the original wing.
That's what I saw in the car, man.
This is the wing it had at factory. Alright. I took it off. I used fish strip, so I didn't scratch the car. You saw the chip on there? Yeah. Okay, he's saying that I did it. That's the spoiler he wants me to put on it. Now he's saying that you scratched it, now you gotta fix it.
Ah, yeah, I see. So how do you go about doing something like that then?
Well, I talked to my painter. I gotta cut him out a deal now. Just paint it for me.
See, when I bought the car, I saw that exact same one right underneath, but it was showing. It was showing, so I told the dealer, they said they would touch it. But I don't think they removed it and touched it up. And I have a feeling like if you remove it, you're gonna see a couple of more along the way.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's the spoiler you like or I don't know.
That's what he bought? This is the one that's on the new ones, right? The new premium packs?
Yeah.
I don't mind it, but you gotta order from Ford, right?
Yeah,
That's not the one that I saw, but I don't mind that one either. How much does that one run? Do you know?
I don't know.
He brought it into you?
No.
You brought it to you?
No, he bought it himself.
You did?
He brought it, yeah.
Because I can't find them. I can't find them.
You can't find that one?
I looked on Ford performance packs online.
These come from factory on some models.
I mean, maybe I gotta come to you and you gotta look for it, but on my own, I can't find it. I've done the CJ Pony, doesn't have it. American Muscle, doesn't have it. Late model restoration, doesn't have it. I went to the Ford performance pack, they didn't have it on there either. So I'm like, what's going on? You know what I mean? And when I come to the dealer, they always have like Mustangs decked out with like 3 or 4 different types of Mustang wings. I'm like, where's that wing at? I don't know where that wing's at. I don't mind that one. That one looks pretty nice.
No, but whatever wing you want to put on there, buy it, bring it by. Charge you for just painting it. Want to do the side job. I guess. Yeah, because this is supposed to be a side job, but he's being picky right now, so I really don't want to work with him.
Oh, dude, you know what? If I get chips like that, as long as it's still underneath and not seen, I'm cool, man. You know what I mean? If I'm paying out of pocket, I don't like calling my insurance for nothing, dude. You know, I got my son. He's 16 years old. Him on my insurance policy. No. I'll pay 2 or 3 grand out of my pocket to do stuff. You know what I mean?
Okay. No, yeah. You buy it, bring it by, and we'll match it to your car.
All right. So we're still in the same figure then, right?
Yeah, we're good. We'll make that work. That's not a problem. And let's look at that piece.
I got the back half right here in the box still.
So I want that balance. It has like 2 tabs.
Yeah, man. This is the part.
If they go anywhere?
This part right here. This part right here.
Okay.
If you look on the other side, there's like a crease in it. You see like this line right here? And if you look on American Muscle's website, half the cars kept this on, and then the other half have it off. And I have no idea where it's to.
Because I didn't put this piece on. I put the upper piece. Okay. When I build it and I put it all together, I'll see where it goes. If it lines up anywhere, I can put them on. Put a bolt or something.
They say you might want to just cut them off.
Well, if it doesn't mess with the integrity, like I don't want it to like catch wind and yank it off the back of the car. You know, but if it doesn't do anything with the integrity,
just cut them off.
Just cut them off because I don't know where it gets back on there. I couldn't figure it out.
I haven't checked that part. Yeah, and I saw these go right here. I checked them. Yeah. I saw these. But your car doesn't have sensors.
No.
So you don't need these. No. You can keep them. I'll put them in the car for you.
Appreciate it, man.
I'm done.
Hey, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.